Good morning. I am Periyakaruppan. Today I am going to solve a problem that is finding an element from a given sorted list using JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language which is usually written within the script tags of the HTML document. Before that, let's write the HTML document. First, we need to write doc type HTML, which represents the version of HTML, and we write the HTML tags within which we write the head and title tags. Now I'm going to give title as binary search, as I'm going to do binary search now. Let us close the title tag and also the head tag. Now comes the important tag, that is a body tag, within which we are going to write script. The argument for this tag is type is equal to text slash JavaScript, and within this I'm going to use the function feature of the JavaScript for performing the binary search. Here we no need to define any data type, just function and function name is enough. I'm going to declare a comma x as the arguments for this function, which means a is the given list and x is the element need to be found from the given list. Let us declare some variables. Variable L is equal to 0, which means the leftmost index is 0, and R is equal to a dot length minus 1, that is the rightmost index of the list. The middlemost index of the list m is equal to math dot floor of L plus R by 2. I'm mentioning math dot floor here because m can have values like decimal values for odd numbers dividing by 2. So to avoid that, we are taking only the greatest integer values using this function. Now let's go into the while loop. While a of m is not equal to x and L is less than R. Only if it satisfies this condition, it will go into the loop, and we are checking for the two conditions. If x is less than a of m, that is, if the value needs to be found is less than the middlemost value, then we are decrementing the r value to m plus 1, sorry, m minus 1. Else, if x is greater than a of m, that is, if the value needs to be found is greater than the m, that is the middlemost value from the given list, then we write L is equal to m plus 1. In this way, we are using time complexity of log of n. So we are ignoring some of the middle terms which are unnecessarily to check whether the element is present in that index or not. Now after finishing this if and else loop, else conditions, we need to increment the to iterate the while loop. So m is equal to math dot floor L plus R by 2. We are writing it again in while loop so that the m value increases. Now we can close the loop. Then we need to check if a of m equal to x, that is if the element is matching with the mth index element. Then we should write document dot write element is found at index plus m, so that it shows the mth index value. Else if it is not found, it shows document dot write element is not found. Now we can close the else loop, else condition, and also the function. Now we are writing the input value where a is equal to, let it be 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. Now I'm calling the above function with index with arguments as a comma, let us find 8 suppose. Now I'm closing the script tag, also body tag, and also the HTML tag. Now we should save this notepad as, like, suppose let us keep the name as binary search dot html. Now let us minimize this. Now this is the HTML, we can view this in the browser. So see, element is found at index 6. So as we saw, this is 0th position, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 8 is in the 6th position. Now we can also check for other conditions, other values. Suppose if 7 is present or not, we are just saving it, we are just reloading it, and it shows element is not found. And for other values like 9, suppose we are saving it with control S and we are reloading it. Yeah, the element 9 is found at, element is found at index 7. So this is how the binary search is performed in the JavaScript. Thanks for watching.